Welcome to another lesson from Clairo's album Immunity. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Alewife. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So this entire song is made up of 5 chords, the first of which is an E-flat major chord. So for this, you're going to place your middle finger on the 6th fret of the A string and your pointer finger on the 5th fret of the D string. Next is a D suspended chord, so you're going to bar the A and D string on the 5th fret with your pointer finger. Next is a B flat major chord, so you're going to bar the 6th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the A string, your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the D string, and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the G string. Next is a C minor chord, so you're going to bar the 8th fret with your pointer finger. You're going to place your ring finger on the 10th fret of the A string and your pinky finger on the 10th fret of the D string. And then last is an A flat major chord. So you're going to take the B flat major chord and move it down 2 frets. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for Alewife. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.